Hi there, this is the Puzzle Guy and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing because I have a lot of interesting puzzle videos. And today I want to show you snake 4x4x4 or an Anaconda puzzle. As you can see, it's look like a cube right now because it's a final result of this snake. You have to assemble it into a cube. But when you take it apart, it's pretty easy to do. It's becoming a snake, a very long one. It's long because it's made out of 64 small cubes, and each cube is connected with a rubber string, and it keeps them all in this line, and you have to assemble them back into a cube shape. And this puzzle is extremely difficult. It took me I don't know how many days to figure out how to solve it, because there is a more easier version of this puzzle. It's snake 3x3x3. I will put a link on that puzzle here, and that puzzle was pretty easy, but this one is like insane. You can't solve it just in 1 hour or 2 hours. You have to spend days solving it. And if you like this puzzle, I will put a link in the description where you can buy it. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve it by yourself, stop watching now. Let's start assembling this snake into a cube. I prefer doing it from this end, because as you can see they are a little bit different. On the one side there is like 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes element and 2 cubes element, and on the other side it goes like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there are 2 elements with 3 cubes. So I prefer to start it from this side. You have to put these 3 like this, and there is also a 2-piece element, and then goes 4-piece. So now you have to take this almost a square piece and move it like this. So it will be perpendicular to this 4-piece cube, or 4 cubes piece. And now there are 1, 2, 3 parts that each of them are of 3 cubes. You have to put them here. So the first goes on top of this, then goes this part, and the third part with 3 cubes goes down here. So it looks like this. The next you can find that there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, I think there is 5 parts made of 2 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, and now we have to pack them into a cube as well. We have to take all this part, rotate it like this, and now we have to deal with all these cubes. First move them up, the next one move like this, and now you have to move it here so that you fill this small gap in a square. That's it. Now put this up, and the next 2 pieces goes here, and next 2 pieces supposed to go right here. And as you can see, that's what we have right now. On this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 by 3, and now we have to put these 2 parts. There is a 3 cube element and another 3 cube element, so we have to put them around this small part like this. So now we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 parts with 2 cubes. We have to fill this small gap with these cubes. So the first what you have to do is just to rotate it inside, then up. The next one you have to put down, and the last one, piece of 2, put it here. So as you can see, we almost filled this whole gap. Now there is a 3 cubes element, it goes up, and the next goes part with 4 cubes, and there is no other ways just to put it on the side of a cube, and we have almost like a half of cube done. Next, what you can see that there is another piece with 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes, and there is a 2 cube piece between these two. So you have to rotate it inside the cube like this, and now fold this part right here like this. Next, what we have, it's like a 2 cube element, we put it here, and now the 3 cube, it goes right here, but there is going to be a empty space underneath it. We have to fill it with these 2 by 2 cubes. So the first one you have to put down under the 3 cube piece like this. The next one goes on the other side and up. So when you pack it inside, you will see that almost all the gaps are filled now. And the next one goes down here, and the next 2-piece cube goes up here. And now we have only this 4-piece element and the 2-piece, and we have to put them here, and the last one goes right here. So as you can see, it's pretty difficult. It's very difficult to find this solution, and I'm pretty sure that if you want to assemble your snake and you're trying to do it watching my video, it's gonna take like 5 or 6 times watching this video to put your snake back into a cube shape. So be patient and try it again and again until you make this cube. If you like this puzzle and you like my video, press like and leave a comment. If you don't like my video, anyway, press like and leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified every time I upload new video.